class, I want to tell you certain important things. All should attend very clearly. Through the previous day newspaper, you might have come to know about this year's CBSE examinations. Did you get any news? You see, this year CBSE has changed the pattern of board exams. Very clearly, you attend. The exams will be conducted in two half portions. That is previous S7, SA2 model. First 50% and second 50%. Attend very clearly. The first 50% exams will be conducted in the month of November. The month of November. And that mark will be taken to the board on the same day. Afterwards, sir, it will not work. On the same day, your mark will be uploaded to the CBSE board. That is your mark for class 10. Then second term examination will be in the month of March or April. That also as board exam. Two board exams you are going to write this year. And that mark also uploaded on the same day. And the portions of first 50% will be for the first term examination. Second term, this portion will not be there. Clear now? So if you study this portion, you will get mark for first term.
Hello.
Please adjust with some disturbances because school is installing UPS for each board. So hereafter, you will not get any interruption in between the class. Even though light goes, supply goes, electricity goes, board will be working. So they are in between, they are checking it. That is why they want to check with the UPS. So 1 or 2 days, there will be some kind of disturbance in this matter. That is system making for permanent solution. So thereafter, if the supply goes, your board will be, line will not be cut. Okay, okay. What I am saying is that for the first term in Hindi, it is told Kan Kolka Suno. ചെവിയൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് ക്ലീൻ ആക്കിയിട്ട് കേൾക്കുക. Open your eyes and hear. So first term exam, if you have to study very well, and the marks of the first term will be taken as it is, and that will not come in the second term. So if you don't study this one, your total mark is lost. But in the previous year, how it is there, even though you get lesser mark in first term, the same thing will come in the second term. So you could write. This time it is not possible. So if you study first term, you will get mark of the first term. Then second term comes. Its exam will be in March, April. So second term portion. So learning each lesson is very important. Learning Each lesson is very important. Anuj, switch on the video. Anandu, you have not yet switched on the video. After this information, I will remove you from the board because I want to tell about the exams that you should hear it. That is why. Then I will remove. So, you see, attendance is important. Attendance is important for the terms. And attendance without video, I will consider it as absence. I am sitting here. Attendance is very important.
What attendance do you have mark to that?
Eh?
Attendance we have mark internal marks.
Who is asking?
Attendance internal marks is there. That mark.
You attend, hear what I am saying now. So, attendance is very important. Marks of the first unit test is very important for you. There will be exams in between. If you are absent for the exams, your internal marks will be lost. Your portfolio has separate mark. Your projects have separate mark. Did you begin the English project? And I am going to send the Malayalam project date. One after another project will be sent. And everything should be prepared very well. So,
English when we need to.
English, I have given you the author and there are two active books, isn't it? That you have to prepare. Paper we will give you. You prepare all the rough work. You prepare the rough work. Fair to write, I will give you A4 sheet from the school. You can give you. So you need not walk around and go to the shops to purchase. We will give you. You can come and collect one day. I will give you
All the subjects.
All the subjects paper I will give you. For all the subjects, for all your projects, we will give you. Not go and walk around the shops. Everything we are doing for you. So this is very important. Further details I will give you in the coming days. So learning every day is very important. If you lose, you will be loser. And at the same time, it is very good to earn the marks. You have to prepare only half portion, isn't it? You can get the marks. And another thing, in the month of December, the question paper will be sent from CBSE and it will be all MCQs. 90 MCQ, 90 minutes. Clear now? 90 questions, Sania, 90 question, 90 minutes. Ayyo, mummy, I did not get the time. No work will be there. 90 minutes, 90 words, questions. So if you don't attend, if you don't prepare well, you will lose the mark. And in order to get marks for MCQs, you have to read the textbook fully. If you study simple questions and all these things, you will not get the mark. You have to read the textbook. You have to read the textbook. Okay. The rest of the, and attend the classes as the information gets from, as received from the CBSE, I will inform the class. So if you don't attend the class, you will not get the information. You will not get the information because CBSE has changed all the policies. So in the meantime, they will give circulars. Accordingly, I will inform you. So attending the class is very, very important. Clear now? So this is an important information to you. So let us come to the lesson of Anne Frank. We are in the page number 54. 54. Ananthakrishnan, did I tell you to open the video? No need. You need not attend the class. You call me in the evening, then I will tell you the rest. Okay. Where did we stop?
Sir, page number 52.
Page number 50.
52.
52, page number 52, last paragraph, I think so. Isn't it?
Sir,
So,
third paragraph.
third paragraph.
I get
Okay.
along. 30.
Chatterbox. Am I right?
Charter box.
Yes. The teacher gave a punishment to write a paragraph about the term, about the topic chatterbox. Chatterbox. It is an indirect way of mocking her. It is an indirect way of punishing her, because indirectly the teacher was saying, "You are a chatterbox." Revu, isn't it? Are you a chatterbox? I think you are a chatterbox. So, chatterbox. Talking, always talking. Gerlin, are you a chatterbox? Sometimes. Okay. So, chatterbox. And the teacher asked her to write an essay on the topic chatterbox. A chatterbox. What can you write about that? You yourself is a chatterbox. What can you write about that? I would worry about that later, I decided. I was thinking about that, and later I decided. What did she decide? Underline. I jotted down the title in my notebook. Jotted down. I wrote. Jotted down means wrote. Right. I wrote in my notebook. Which is that notebook, Sowell?
Diary.
Diary. Which is this diary?
Kitty.
Kitty. Kitty. So she wrote in the kitty. What? And kept it in my bag. Kept in my bag. Kept in my bag. And tried to keep quiet. So as soon as the teacher told to write a paragraph on chatterbox, she wrote in the notebook, Kitty, chatterbox. Then she folded it and kept in the bag, and she kept silence. That evening, after I had finished the rest of my homework, that evening, after I had finished the rest of my homework, the note about the essay caught my eye. So I did all my homeworks. Then I remembered about my homework to write a paragraph on Chatterbox. I began thinking about the subject. I began thinking about the subject. I began to think, what should be written? Shifana, what should be written about the chatterbox? Can you write a paragraph about chatterbox? Can you write? Here, Anne Frank is going to write about herself. About herself. I began thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of my fountain pen. That everybody knows. Bite and chew the tip of the pen. If you check your pen or pencil, the tip of your pen, you will be able to know how is it. Just now check it. It is damaged because of your teeth. She was chewing. She was biting the pen. That means she was thinking. She was thinking. Anyone could ramble on Anyone could ramble on and leave big spaces between the words, but the trick was to come up with convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. Underline, the trick was the trick was to come up with the convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. That is the idea Anne Frank wanted to prove. You see, she says anyone could ramble on, carelessly write without care in matanga size, isn't it? In pumpkin size. Some are writing pumpkin size with the 5 words, 1 page is over. With the 5 words, 1 page is over. Some are writing very small, beautiful way. They may write 100 words. So people could write, ramble on without care and leave big spaces. But what did I think? What did I think? I want to come up with. Come up here means I want to present. Here, come up with, meaning I want to present. I want to prove. That means that is also. I want to prove. Devasena, are you there? Very beautiful photo is there, but no breath. Switch on. Devasena. Ah. How can you sit without breathing in front of me? Only a lifeless picture can sit without breathing. A person with life, I look at your neck. Allah, I am looking at your neck. Whether it is moving or not, you are breathing or not. Some people will keep a very good poster picture like this, attending very carefully. A click and photo is pasted on the front. Advilya, like this. So if anybody sees, oh, the child is attending the class very, very seriously. I was not knowing these kind of techniques. And when you people use the techniques here, I also learned the technique. So I began to look at your neck. Eva, I began to look at your neck. Whether it is moving or not. Navaneet, whether it is moving or not, my eyesight is very sharp. So I can see the slightest moving. Jaslin, good morning. Slightest movement.
Morning, sir.
Okay. So, okay, keep your live photos. This is a live class. In the live class, I don't want any dead body, isn't it? This is a live class. Those who are attending, they should be alive. Though hereafter, if your video is not on, I will remove you. That is why I recorded. It is recording. I inform you earlier. If your video is not on, you will be removed from the classroom. In between 2 minutes, video is going, that I can understand. I can understand. Maybe the net may become weak, so it may go, but it will come after 2 minutes. Okay. So it was her purpose to convince the teacher about the importance of talking. Jaslin, can you write an essay on Chatterbox? I think you can write very well. Because Anne Frank wrote the essay about herself. Teacher asked her to write an essay on Chatterbox. And she wrote about herself. I think Jesslyn also can write an essay on Chatterbox. Write and show, give it to me personally. I want. Okay. So, but here Anne Frank wanted to prove that chatterboxes are necessary for the society. Suppose you are a naughty fellow, just like you are a naughty fellow at home. Suppose, sometimes it may be. I don't know. Are you naughty? Are you disobedient? Somewhat. Isn't it? Somewhat. She agrees. Somewhat she is not attending. Ah. So rectify yours. If anybody is there like that, disobedience, I don't like that character, disobedient character. So be obedient. I won't take them as my own children. Obedience is very important. So here, suppose let us take it Jesslyn. Jesslyn is a very naughty fellow nowadays. Nowadays, she is making a lot of noise at home. So her mummy says, or papa says, who is with you, mummy or papa? Or papa? Papa says, why are you making this much sound at home? Why can't you sit some time in silence? So she got irritated. Are you get irritated? ദേഷ്യം വരുമോ? Do you, yes. She gets irritated fast. So Anne Frank is sitting here. Okay. So our Anne Frank got irritated. So she murmured something. Some murmured something. And she went into her room. Went inside. Definitely went inside. For 2 days, she did not make any sound. She was sitting inside her room. She did not make any sound. Even Papa, Daddy called Jesslyn. She did not respond. Papa told Jesslyn, come and have the breakfast. She did not respond. Her brothers called her. You have a brother, I think so. Am I right? Do you have a brother? She has a brother. Her brother called her, but she did not respond. So Papa and brother told, why are you sitting silent? So Jesslyn tells, if I speak, that is a problem. If I keep silence, that is also a problem. Isn't it? When I was talking, when I was making sound at home, my brother and father and mother told, why are you making sound at home? Then I kept silence. I did not speak a word. Now you are saying that, why are you sitting silent? What should I do? What should I do? Papa, tell me, what should I do? So here, Anne Frank says some chatterboxes are needed at home. Some chatterboxes are needed at home. So here, by writing the essay, Anne Frank wanted to prove importance of talkative children. You see, positive thinking. Need of talking children. Need of talking in the class. Adilya, need of talking in the class. Oh, sir, now we can begin talking. Elsa, need of talking students in the class. You see here? But the trick was to come up with convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. That is an important underline. I thought and I thought, I was thinking and thinking. And suddenly I had an idea. I got an idea. I wrote the 3 pages. I wrote the 3 pages Not one page, not one. Where is Jaslin had gone? Hi, Jaslin, where are you? Ah, she says, I asked you to write only one paragraph. Here, Anne Frank wrote, don't go, sit there. Anne Frank wrote 3 pages. 3 pages. I wrote 3 pages. Mr. Keating had assigned me. Mr. Keating gave the punishment to write 3 pages about Chatterbox. And he was satisfied. Very good. So tomorrow I will tell Jaslin, I am satisfied. Thank you. Okay. Mr. Keesing was satisfied with the 3 pages of Anne Frank. I argued that talking is a student's trait and that I would do my best to keep it under control. Underline 2 lines. In that essay, in that writing, Anne Frank wrote, talking is a student's trait. Trait means character. Trait means character. Nature. Nature. Trait means character or nature. She proved there talking is the nature of a student. So, chatterbox to me, it is my nature. Sir, what shall I do? It is my nature. My mummy also speaks a lot. That is why I speak more. My father is speaking more. My grandfather is speaking more. So I am also speaking more. It is a nature. It is a character. But sir, I will control. Jaslin, she says, I will control. I would do my best to keep it under control. Clear now? Then, but that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit. Even I wrote on the paper, I would do my best to control this nature, to talk too much, but I could not do it. I was unable to control since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more, and that there is not much you can do about the inherited traits. You see, she says, oh, my mother is another chatterbox. And Frank says, her mother is also talking as much as she speaks. So it is, Isha, it is an inherited habit. What do you mean by inherited habit, Isha? Karthik is ready there. Just tell
We
me.
got it from our parents.
Ah, it is from the parents, forefathers, by genes. It is inherited, transferred from parent to child, child to his child. That is inherited. Sorry. So here, um, Anne Frank says this talking nature is an inherited habit, and I have got it. I have got it from my mother, so I cannot do anything. I cannot do anything. So, Mr. Keating had a good laugh at my arguments. But when I proceeded to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me second essay. So, Mr. Keating was happy with my essay. But when I proceeded to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me second essay. He gave me another essay. This time it was supposed to be an incorrigible chatterbox. You see, she began to talk again. She told it is an inherited habit. I cannot rectify. So he gave another essay. Alna, what is the next essay? An incorrigible chatterbox. What is the meaning? Incorrigible chatterbox, Angela Susan? What is the next meaning of incorrigible chatterbox? A
Cannot be
chatterbox.
corrected.
The chatterbox who cannot be corrected. How many times, Mummy Angelo, how many times Mummy told you, study, study, study? 100 times. And Angelo was sitting without studying. Last Mummy told, ഇതിനോട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല. There is no use in saying. Did your mummy tell like that? Angelo? Did your mother tell you like that?
I
Sometimes. Sometimes. Mummy says, പറഞ്ഞ് മടുത്തു. Isn't it? Alna? Mummy says, Alne, how many times I told you to study and why can't you understand? Are you an incorrigible chatterbox? Are you an incorrigible chatterbox? A chatterbox that who cannot be corrected? You see, the teacher gave the second essay. Incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible chatterbox. I handed it in, and Mr. Keesing had nothing to complain about 2 whole lessons. However, during the third lesson, he had finally had enough. So she also gave that essay also. And Frank, as punishment for talking in the class, write an essay entitled Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. So when the teacher took the third lesson, again she was talking and she was given a punishment to write an essay with the heading Quack, 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 because the duck always make the sound. Duck is a chatterbox. Indirectly, teacher called Gauri. Indirectly, teacher called Anne Frank. You are a duck. So write about yourself. Quack, quack, quack. Okay. The rest we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.